Dave here along with Jax, and we are on our way to 2 total home transformations that are underway. We're building them in New Jersey. One project is in the end phase. We're literally 3 weeks away from completing it, and the other project we're just beginning. So let's go over there. We're going to take a look at each project. Pangione Developers specializes in entire home transformations in and around New Jersey. We offer a one-call, one-contractor service. So you call us, we take care of the entire project from beginning to end. If your family is growing and in need of more space, you bought a house years ago, your family's grown, you need more rooms, you need more entertaining area, or if you're looking for even a fixer-upper to make your own, you can give us a call. We handle the entire project. So you have some ideas, you have a design that you have in mind of what you want to do to your home. We take care of that initial concept. We provide the planning, the zoning information with the town, dealing with the building department, the entire build, everything we handle from start to finish. Our customers are growing families in need of more space. They have a budget, they have some ideas, and they don't want to deal with 20 different contractors. They don't want to go chasing down this guy and that guy to show up and build their project. That's why our service, one call, one contractor, we handle the entire project from beginning to end, from start to finish. All right, guys, so we're pulling up to the house now. Look at the size of this home. Right now I got a crew of about 10 guys in there working. This used to be a tiny little 1,100 square foot home. It's a little Cape Cod. Now look at the size of this project. Okay, so we just arrived on this entire home transformation site in Bergen County, New Jersey. I'm going to show you this house. This was a tiny little Cape Cod home. It was approximately 1,100 square foot. Right now it's almost 4,000 square feet. So let's take a look at this particular home. You want to get an idea of what it used to look like. Here's a picture I'm going to show you on the top corner of the screen here. But as you're looking at the actual house, from this corner right here to the left was the old structure, the size of the old structure, and it was 1.5 stories. We added all of this going out. We added a 2-car garage in the back. We went over the entire structure, and we also have an office up in the attic. This particular home is in the final stages. We are wrapping up. We have about a couple more weeks to go, and the homeowner is going to be moving back in. With the trim crew is wrapping up, we have the paint crew on hold, and in the next week or so, the place will be painted. We'll be finishing the floors, and then we'll be getting our inspection. So this place is just about finished. Okay, take a look at all the detail on this particular home. We had installed a double 5 vinyl siding. We have all Anderson windows around the whole house. We have a beautiful portico over the 9-foot wide staircase, the decorative stone. We have black accents, which would be the railings, black gutters, black leaders. This place really looks amazing. We also have at nighttime, we're going to have the accent lights shining down on the front walls. We have 2 over there, 1 on the center wall over there, and 2 over here. The accents on this house, when it's completed and at nighttime when you're driving up, is going to look incredible. On this particular property, we installed a 6-foot barricade fence all the way around the property. Let's go open this up. I'll show you the size of the property as we get through here. Look at this backyard here and the size of this area. Everything's been cleaned up. There was a lot of bush here, a lot of shrubs. Everything's been cleaned up. Take a look at this beautiful yard now. Everything's been done by us. Again, one call, one contractor. We handle everything. Okay, so from this angle, you can get a better look. Over here, we added this whole section coming out, and then we added this 2-car garage. You'll get another angle. We'll go around the front right now. Okay, from this angle, now you can see the 2-car garage, which has the master suite above it. We have the dormers up in the attic. You can see the dormers on the right side of the house, on the rear. All this has been added. This is an entire home transformation here. Look at this beautiful 16-foot garage door. 1-car garage going right in. It's a beautiful carriage style door. We have the finished stucco color. We have the in-ground drains going around the perimeter. Gas fireplace off the living room. This place is completely remodeled and transformed. All right, let's go in the house and we'll take a look inside real quick. All right, guys, when you open up the door, right away turns into a big open foyer, 18 feet high. You turn around, you got a big picture window there, double door closet. Now, right now we're in the finishing stage. We have all the trim going in. We have the fireplace all trimmed out, all the windows, the doors. Trim is being installed. We have a little bit more to go. Kitchen, we have a full shaker style kitchen, open concept into the living room. We're standing in the dining room. There's going to be an Eden Peninsula right here with granite countertops. Just look at how nice this place is looking. When we started this project, this home was a tiny little 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. Right now, it's 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. If you're a New Jersey homeowner and your family needs more space, call me. If you have an old home that needs updating, if you're looking to buy a fixer-upper, give us a call. One call, one contractor. We handle the entire project from beginning to end. We're going to go upstairs to this new layout. It's 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a laundry. This layout is amazing. So here we are, we're standing on the top of the 2nd floor, looking down to the 1st floor. We get up here, we have a bedroom, a 2nd bedroom. Right behind me is the 3rd bedroom, and down this hall is the master bedroom suite. Let's make our way down to the master bedroom suite. All right, so as we open up the door, look at all this space in this master bedroom. We have a 10-foot tray ceiling, all the Anderson windows pre-finished on the inside. This is a great size room. Remember, through that doorway, we have a walk-in closet. There's going to be a barn door right here that opens up into the walk-in closet, which leads also into the master bathroom. Let's take a quick look. Okay, so imagine here we have the barn door opens up. It's going to be, this closet's going to be wrapped with shelving, and right through this door here is the master bathroom suite. As we get in here, you open up the door and we have a custom shower for the master shower. Look at that, all the custom tile work, shelving. There's going to be a glass door here. We have a private toilet here, a his and hers vanity, double vanity, and in this box is a 6-foot self-standing soak tub that's going to be centered right under this window. We'll have a self-standing faucet right next to it. This layout and this bathroom is going to look amazing when it's done. So look at it right now and it already looks great. We have crown molding going across the top, oversized trim. This looks fantastic. Right now, we're going to go over to another project, which is in a whole different phase. We just started it just a couple of days ago. We're doing entire demolition on 2 floors. It's a 2-family house. We're going to go over there, take a look. Just arrived on site, and here is the 2-family house. We had the containers back to back, and we are going to go inside. They already started stripping down the 2nd floor. They started making their way onto the 1st floor earlier today. So we'll go in there and show you what the site looks like inside and all the work that's going on. All right, guys, so this is the beginning stages of the demolition, the job. This was a 2-family house. Going up the stairs was the 1 family. This lower floor was another family. There was a mother-daughter thing going on here, and they kind of opened up some of the walls so it was an even flow in between the 2 units. But it was a 2-family unit. Let's go upstairs, and I'll show you what this looks like just the last day and a half. Look at all the work that's gone on here. This is just a day and a half. They stripped the entire 2nd floor here, 2 bedrooms, bathroom, living room. It's all stripped down. This is just 1.5 days. So right now we're back on the 1st floor. I'm going to give you an idea how this floor plan is going to open up. So here's the front door right here. Everything you're looking at over here, all of this is going to get opened up. We're going to create a large living area straight through from one end to the other. It's going to be an open foyer. Over here, it's going to open up living room, dining room, kitchen, and then it's going to be a half bath over there with a door leading out. Everything, all these walls that you're looking at are going to be supported by structural headers, and then it's going to allow us to open up this entire floor plan. So we're just a couple of days into this project and we're already moving along. You could see how much work that's been accomplished in just 2 days. So let's talk about your project. In both of the cases that I just showed you, the families need more room. They have one. In the first case, the house was an older home. They outgrew the house and they wanted to modernize it. We took that home from 1,100 square feet to almost 4,000 square feet. In this case, another young family in need of more room. They outgrew this house. They need a better layout, a better floor plan, and they called Pangione Developers. So how can we get your project going? Simple. Give us a call. Ask for me. My name's Dave Pangione. My number's 201-774-3733. We take care of the entire project from beginning to end. The planning, the building department, the zoning, everything. So from the very beginning to the very end, it's one call, one contractor. We handle the entire process from start to finish. So if your family has outgrown your home, or if you're looking for a fixer-upper that you want to make your own, give us a call. We'll handle the entire design, the entire build. We can take you from your existing home. We could pack you up, move you out. The house is turnkey. It's painted. The floors are finished. Move your furniture back in. It's that simple. We handle everything. So give us a call. 201-774-3733. You can email me directly at info@pangionedevelopers.info. Again, info@pangionedevelopers.info. Once again, our number is 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. Thanks. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You can also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.